I made this beat around CityZeen LS and Omali's vocals, bro, and it's crazy. This is how I made it. I started off with these FL keys. I wanted to keep it like traditional and keep to the generic sounds. And yeah, nothing really complicated, bro. If you need me to expand in music theory and explain how I make chords and stuff like that, leave a comment below. Now, after the FL keys, I went and did this choir. It's from Expand. This is the choir. So the most simplest way I thought about breaking out this beat is by introducing like the intro and then the drop of the beat. Now with the intro drums, I did this bongo and it just sounds super simple. This bongo is inside CP Essentials, go check it out. And after that, I did this thing, what is it? Or open head, just the simple open head. This impact is inside Africa drum kit, also link is in the description. And this brass is also inside the thingy, Africa. And this is also inside Africa, so go check them out. Now the sounds I just mentioned, let me include these risers also inside CP Essentials. This one, not CP Essentials, but Africa. And also these ones are inside Africa. Now let me play them together so you can see from the start here. After that, I added this Diablo GMS Diablo. It's a bass from, it's an Amapiano bass. If you know the old Amapiano songs, you know this bass. And then after that, I did an instance of Nexus. I layered it with FL keys, this piano right here. After that, I did some other bongos over here, as you can see. And then this one, impact from Africa drum kit. Links are in the description. So here I also added another instance of Nexus, and this time around it's strings and they sound like this. So as you can see here, I chopped them up as some sections, and after that I added this hi-hat and I added this snare as well. As you can see, I played with the the velocities and not velocities, velocities, yes, and also the pitches and stuff. And then after that I added another hi-hat, generic. I just played with the velocities. And then after that, as you can see, I also added a kick. We also added this, and inside it's an accordion from Expand. I almost missed this one. As you can see here, I added a bass, a string bass, and these are just basses. They come with FL Studio, these ones. You can go search them and find them there. And I added this 808 as well, and as you can see, I chopped it up because I don't want this section to be busy. I also added this drum fill. Together they sound like this. Those are pretty much all the sounds, but I felt like for the verse at some section I should add like a variation, so I added this one over here. Then after that, I just added some drum fills, as you can see over here. I also did this section and it sounds like this. I don't know if I'm gonna get in trouble for playing the vocals, but yeah, I'm just gonna play the first part. Anyway, don't forget to subscribe, leave a comment. Also, be on the lookout. I'm gonna drop a song by this month. Yeah, this month I'm gonna drop a song with Mashka. And yeah, be on the lookout. Enjoy yourself. Peace.
Yele kawela di la ere di kwasa ipela di mo khupija di komela ikoku ya magashi ya mbogo boya seketele badisa ya bale mata ikoku ya magashi ya mbogo ari beswa di fe boya le bele tetale